All right, let's look at number 24. It says to sketch the graph of each function. So how do we graph things? What do you think?
Calculator.
Calculator, good. Y equals, absolutely. Clear out anything you have in there? All right. Once you get it cleared out, you're going to just put this in. X squared. Now this is in the middle, so this is a minus, not a negative right here. That's minus 2x minus 1. Make sure you're using the minus button there if it's in the middle. All right, what do I do next, Akari, once I've entered into y equals? What do I do next once I've entered into y equals?
Oh, you got a second one.
Just window, not second window. Okay. My x minimum is right here. -1. Put that in there. My x max is right here. That's 5. Okay. My x scale is right here. It's a 1. My y minimum is right here. It's a -3. My y max is right here. That is a 3. And my y scale is right here. It's 0.5. Once I do that, what do I do next? John, what do I do next?
Oh, you put graph.
I click graph to see what it looks like.
No, second.
And after that, you put second.
Second graph, so go to the table. Mine, I like to start on 0, but you can start on whichever one you want to here. This one starts on -1, so that's okay. Start at -1. -1, 2. So -1 is your x. Make sure you pay attention to what's x and what's y. This -1 is an x. The 2 is a y. Okay? So -1 on the x, 2 on the y right there. Okay? -1, 2. 0, -1. So 0 on the x. -1 on the y. Right there. So I'm getting that from right here. And then it's 1, -2. So 1 on the x, -2 on the y. And then I'm going to 2, -1 right here. Then I'm going to go to 3, 2 right here. And then 4 would go up to 7. I can't go that far. I can't go to 4. So I've got what I need. My graph, and I try to make it look like this, okay? It's going to look like this. So, but the first and foremost, before I start drawing it, do I have all the pieces I need? Is this a minimum or a maximum here, guys?
Max.
What?
It's minimum.
It's a minimum. Okay? This does not have a maximum. There is no maximum, guys. It's going to have arrows, which means it goes forever up. There's no maximum. Okay? So right here, you're going to try to make it look like a U, guys. Make it look like a U.
Is that what it says on your graph? Because you already said check your graph before you.
Yeah, your calculator is rounded. That's why you look at your graph, is to remind yourself not to make a V. It's rounded. Okay? Now, if you were missing pieces, like if you didn't have a minimum, okay, you would have to do second count to find it, right? You didn't have, but you don't need the zeros on this one because it's right here. You have this one, you have this one, and so your zero is going to be in the middle here. Okay, so you're good enough on your zeros. But if you are missing a piece, you would use second count to find it. All right, for 24, what do we do on this one? Emily, what do we do on number 24? Or 25, I mean, sorry. This one right here is a negative, because it's at the beginning. Negative, parentheses, x minus 3, parentheses, squared, plus 2. Make sure you did all the pieces right. Don't forget your square. Don't forget your negatives. You know, that's the biggest thing people do is they forget. Okay? What do we do next, John? You go second table, that's fine. If you do it this way, your window's not going to be right yet, but that's okay. You don't have to do it in the order I said. So this one starts at -1. So -1, -14. That's not going to fit on here. Okay? 0, -7. That is not going to fit on here either. 1, -2. That one fits. 1, -2, right there. Okay. 2, 1. So I go to 2 on the X up to 1 right here. Okay. 3, 2. Okay. 4, 1. 5, -2. Okay. Does it look like a quadratic? Do you have all the pieces you need?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So you go to your graph and try to look at it. You may not see all of it because you did not change your window. But actually, this particular one, it's not a big deal. So you can save yourself some time by going to the window. If you go to graph and you can already see it, don't go to the window and don't bother changing it. That's something you can do to save yourself time if you want to. If your window's good enough, there's no real point in going and doing all of that work. Okay? If your window's already good enough. So make sure you make it look like a U, not like a V. Make it rounded up here. And don't forget your arrows. Don't miss points or something silly. Put arrows on that.